What's up, guys? So I am doing the install now. Well, it's already installed, but I'm running the wires a little cleaner from how they were before. Zip tie. For the stereo that I got set up on my Harley. So check this out. This is what I got so far. Got the nice little speakers, chrome, not too fancy, but good enough. Then I got them run right now down through here and then up, and then they're gonna run along the inside of the tank. All of this will be taped up together so it's not noticeable. And then let's cut the oldie. They'll be ran down to here. My amp will be stashed in here. All of it's being powered off of a circuit that's for the headlights, so when the switch comes on, it turns the amp on and it gets plenty of air down there where it's going to be at. The speakers and then the volume control will be set up right in this hole, so I'll be able to just reach for it. And then on the top, I'm gonna have my phone mounted right here, and I'll have the cable come right out the side right into my phone itself. So basically the way this sets up on the bike sits like this. I'll have the cable come out, drape over, cell phone here, everything mounted. So I had to take off, just to be more thorough, I took off the saddlebag off, took the side covers off to be able to get everything exposed. While everything's open, I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this stuff, of course, just because it's really fucking dirty. So let's finish this stuff up. I'll show you guys the end product. Alright guys, so I am finally done. Now all I gotta do, well, not all the way done, because I gotta zip tie these a little prettier than where they're at, but that's my wire harness going up, comes up, comes all through under here, ends up all wrapped where the amp is sitting at now. This is just a little bit of slack from my cable that's gonna be for my auxiliary. My volume control, like I said, was here. So turn it on, press play, and as the switch goes off, music goes off, switch goes on, music's on. And like I said, it's wired directly to the switch, so as soon as I turn the switch off on the actual bike itself, stereo's off, so it's not draining power in case you accidentally forget to flip the toggle and stuff like that. It's ran directly in, it's spliced in with its own fusible link, so it's nothing shady, none of that crap. So with that said, that's my quick install. I'll do a review on it in the next few days. Catch you guys later.